If you have real writers writing for your SEO project, you need to make sure you check these 9 things. This is how I do it for my agency with my clients. Let me show you. My writers get given an incredibly in-depth content research we've done with instructions of what to write and where and why and everything. So once they're done, I can check everything in Google Docs. We've done a lot of the heavy lifting by adding the titles and subtitles, so a lot of the keywords we want and the topics are there. But we cross-check that in the text, the keywords and topics that we wanted, that we found in our keyword research right here, have indeed been mentioned. Of course, naturally, it doesn't need to be the exact word mentioned X amount of times. That's not real anymore. Then they need to have added links. Internal links to other pages of that same website, which we have another file with all of them so the writer can access that and check them. And external links to reputable sources. It's a bit tricky to find them, but I have some tricks. So if you want those tricks, go to my link in bio, put your email, and I'll send you the whole template, the one I give to the writers, literally. And there I show how to find reputable links, plus everything that I'm going to mention in this video and more. Then the most important words of each paragraph need to be bolded, so it's easy to read for scanning readers. And paragraphs need to be shorter and spread out. Another crucial thing is to make sure that in subtitles that are questions, the answer is given right away as soon as possible and as clear as possible. This increases the chances of ranking in AI overviews, snippets, and is generally easy for readers to get the answer basically. Then images need to be added. In this case, they upload the image in the file where the docs is in, and then in the docs they just add the link and the alt text in parentheses, so the developer that will transfer this text to the website knows what image and where does it go in the blog. Then we have to check that the writers didn't cheat. It all starts with who do I work with, basically. I work very hard to only work with people I can trust and so on, but I still need to do my checks. So for that, I have CopyLeaks. Based on my research, this is the best one. It checks if the writer has used blatantly AI to write, although this technology is a bit dodgy, so sometimes 100% has not been written with AI and it says it's written, but the important thing here is the plagiarism. We know that our writers don't know specifically about law or table covers, whatever the clients I have are about, so they use information on the internet and from other competitors to make their points. So they need to be really careful. They're not just copying and rewriting what they said. They really need to make new points and so on. So this tool is great for that, because if the writer is lazy and doesn't do that, it will point it out and it will actually tell you what website did it get the information from. And that should be it. Then we bring the team, the client, to go in and check their stuff. Before that, we teach the client what to check and what not to check, because this step can get very messy. And when everything is ready, then we send the developers in to upload the stuff. Easy, right? Now is your turn. Let's go.